So the operation of subtraction or fraction is similar to that of addition. This time we will just be subtracting, and this procedure is the same. First, you have to find the LCM of what? The denominator. And I'm very sure that by now you're already familiar with denominator. Now again, if you have forgotten, this is the denominator of what? Of the fractions that we have. So we want to find the LCM of the denominators. Now the denominators we have there are 3 and 5. So we are looking for a number which can be divided by 3 and 5 without a remainder, and we are most interested in the least number, the lowest number which 3 and 5 can divide without a remainder. Again, I'll leave the link to the video on how to find LCM in the description of this very video. It's going to be helpful to you in knowing how to find LCM of numbers. So the LCM of 3 and 5, which is the least number that can be divided by 3 and 5, is 15. And you'll be wondering, how did I know? Yes, that is the least number which can be divided by 3 and 5 without a remainder. Now, like we did in addition, 3 divide 15 is going to give you 5. So put down 5 there. Multiply what? The numerator of 3. And what's the numerator of 3? It is 4. So we'll put 4 here. Correct? Yes. Now we'll bring our subtraction sign here. Good. Now 5 divide 15 is going to give you what? 3. Now 3 times the numerator of 5 is what? 1. So when you multiply, you have 3 times 1 there. So let's continue with our arithmetic. So 5 times 4 is going to give us 20. Correct? And 3 times 1 is going to give us 3. So we have 20 minus 3 all over what? 15. So 20 minus 3 is 17. Correct? Now all over what? 15. So can we divide further? Is there any number that can divide 17 and 15 without a remainder? No number. So this becomes our what? Answer for what? The subtraction of what? Fractions. Again, the only place where I feel you will be having difficulty is finding the LCM of the denominator, and that is why I said you should make use of the video I'll suggest in the description box, so that you all be on the same page. So we'll move to the next one,